Hey Google, show me a picture of the Los Alamos project main gate.
I heard. Sorry, I can't show you pictures. I don't have a screen.
Alexa, show me a picture of Los Alamos project main gate.
Amazon Photos is not supported on this device. View your photos using the Amazon Photos app or website, or on devices like Fire TV or Echo Show.
It's high time we took matter into our own hands.
In our quest to create our very own assistant, we delved into the realm of various large language models. Large language models embodies an ingenious breed of AI tailored to comprehend and emulate human-like patterns. Now you might ask, why is everyone obsessed with AI models capable of understanding natural language? And the answer to that question is, language is how we think. We express and communicate our thoughts using some form of language. It can be a spoken language like English, a symbolic language such as math, or programming languages such as C++ or Python. The most popular large language model is ChatGPT, which was developed by OpenAI. But for our purposes, we use an open source large language model called LLaMA offered by Meta.
Many third parties such as Hugging Face, Replicate, LangChain offer access to open source models such as LLaMA. For our purposes, we make use of Replicate API, which offers a seamless and user-friendly way to tap into capabilities of AI. Getting started with Replicate is very straightforward. You can follow the procedure on their website and install Replicate on your machine. Create an account to get API token to access the machine learning models and run predictions from a sea of models hosted on their Replicate platform. While models such as LLaMA and Llama 2 Chat excel in processing word sequences to predict and generate text recursively, our vision for Assistant extends beyond. We aspire to create an assistant that effortlessly navigates between various input data forms, embracing text, images, and audio with seamless proficiency. With this purpose, we use models like Blip and Stable Diffusion to effortlessly bridge the gap between images and text, which are also available on Replicate platform, by the way. Now that we have multiple models, we have to select the right model for inference based on the input.
Sure, we could have gone all caveman with if-else statements, grunting our way through model choices. But nah, we decided to put on our prompt engineering wizard hats and conjure up some AI magic. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting precise instructions for AI. Like a conductor guiding an orchestra, it shapes queries to get desired responses from AI models. It involves creative selection of words, contexts, and structure to clearly communicate intentions. Mastering prompt engineering empowers AI to produce insightful content, answer questions, or create stories based on your prompts. It's a conversation where your words become brushstrokes on the canvas of AI-generated output.
Well, our grand plan took a nosedive. You know what works? The tried and tested caveman approach, if and all statements.
With everything put together, the new assistant was ready for testing.
Create an image of a cat. Identify this image. What is a cat?
A cat is a domesticated animal that is typically small and furry, with a short snout, pointed ears, and a long tail. Cats are known for their agility, playful personalities, and their ability to purr and meow to communicate with humans. They are often kept as pets and are known for their affectionate and loyal nature. Cats are also known for their ability to hunt small rodents and other animals, and they are often used in animal shelters and rescue organizations to help control the population of stray animals. Overall, cats are beloved pets and companions for many people around the world.
Hey, new assistant. Show me a picture of the Los Alamos project main gate. Oh, I forgot to connect it to the internet.